Welcome back again to our channel, your go-to hub for mastering the world of finance and fintech, and empower you to make smarter money moves in the digital age. In this episode, let's dive into a step-by-step guide on how to start building wealth. Building wealth doesn't happen overnight, but with the right strategy and consistent effort, anyone can achieve financial success. Whether you're just starting out or looking to strengthen your financial foundation, this step-by-step guide will help you start building wealth, covering essential tips on saving, investing, and growing a financial portfolio. Step 1. Assess your current financial situation. Before you start building wealth, you need to understand where you stand financially. This helps you set realistic goals and identify areas for improvement. Action items. Track your income and expenses. Create a budget to track your income and monthly expenses. Use budgeting tools or apps like Mint, YNAB, or EveryDollar to keep tabs on your spending habits. Calculate your net worth. List your assets, savings, investments, property, and liabilities, debts, loans, to calculate your net worth. This will help you understand your financial starting point. Identify financial goals. Set both short-term, emergency fund, paying off debt, and long-term goals, retirement, buying a house, etc. Step 2. Create a budget and stick to it. Having a solid budget is key to saving and building wealth. By tracking your spending and allocating money towards savings and investments, you'll be able to free up funds for growing your wealth. Action items. Set up a budget. Use the 50-30/20 rule. 50% of your income for needs, housing, food. 30% for wants, entertainment, dining out, and 20% for savings and debt repayment. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings and investment accounts to ensure that you are consistently saving and investing. Cut unnecessary expenses. Identify areas where you can reduce spending, cancel unused subscriptions, limit discretionary spending, or meal prep to save on dining out. Step 3. Build an emergency fund. Before focusing on investing, it's important to have an emergency fund in place. This fund will protect you from unexpected expenses, like medical bills, car repairs, or job loss, so you don't have to rely on debt. Action items. Set a target. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a high-yield savings account or money market account. Start small. If you can't save the full amount right away, start with a smaller target, $1,000, and work your way up. Step 4. Pay off high-interest debt. Before aggressively investing, prioritize paying off high-interest debts, like credit cards, which can hinder your ability to build wealth due to their high rates. Action items. Use the debt avalanche method. Focus on paying off high-interest debts first, while making minimum payments on lower-interest debts. Consider debt consolidation. If you have multiple high-interest debts, consider consolidating them into one loan with a lower interest rate to make payments more manageable. Step 5. Start investing for the long term. Once you've built an emergency fund and paid off high-interest debt, it's time to start investing. Investing is crucial for growing your wealth over time, as it allows your money to work for you. Action items. Open a retirement account. Contribute to tax-advantaged retirement accounts like a 401 ONIC, especially if your employer offers a match, or Roth IRA. Invest in low-cost index funds and ETFs. These funds provide diversification by investing in a broad range of stocks or bonds, reducing the risk compared to individual stock picking. They also typically have low fees, which means more of your money stays invested. Dollar cost averaging (DCA). Instead of trying to time the market, invest a fixed amount regularly, monthly, regardless of market conditions. This strategy reduces the impact of market volatility and prevents emotional investing. Step 6. Maximize your income potential. Building wealth isn't just about saving and investing. It's also about increasing your income. Boosting your earnings will give you more funds to save and invest, accelerating your wealth-building journey. Action items. Negotiate your salary. If you're employed, don't be afraid to ask for a raise or negotiate your salary when you change jobs. Use resources like Glassdoor to research salary ranges for your position. Create additional income streams. Consider side gigs, freelance work, or turning hobbies into income-generating opportunities. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Etsy allow you to monetize skills and interests. Invest in yourself. Take courses, certifications, or attend workshops to increase your skill set and increase your value in the job market. Step 7. Diversify your investment portfolio. As your wealth grows, it's important to diversify your investments to reduce risk and ensure that your money is working in multiple areas. Action items. Mix asset classes. Invest in a variety of assets, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. You can also diversify within each asset class. Large cap versus small cap stocks, or US versus international stocks. Consider real estate. If you have the capital and are ready for a larger commitment, real estate can provide income through rental properties and potential appreciation. Rebalance periodically. Over time, some assets will outperform others. Review your portfolio regularly, every 6 to 12 months, and rebalance it to ensure your allocations align with your risk tolerance and goals. Step 8. Protect your wealth. Once you've built a strong foundation and started growing your wealth, it's essential to protect it with the right financial safeguards. Action items. Get adequate insurance. Ensure you have health, life, auto, home, and disability insurance to protect against unexpected financial setbacks. Create an estate plan. Draft a will and designate beneficiaries for your accounts. Consider establishing a trust if you have significant assets to ensure they are distributed according to your wishes. Consider tax strategies. Work with a tax professional to minimize your tax burden and maximize your after-tax returns. Take advantage of tax-deferred and tax-free accounts, IRAs, 400 and OMNICs, and Roth IRAs. Step 9. Stay consistent and be patient. Building wealth is a long-term process that requires consistency and patience. Avoid the temptation to chase get-rich-quick schemes and stay focused on your long-term goals. Action items. Stick to your plan. Follow your investment strategy, even when the market gets volatile. Avoid panic selling and take advantage of downturns by buying on dips, a practice known as buying the dip. Review and adjust regularly. Revisit your goals and progress periodically to make sure you're on track. Make adjustments to your strategy as necessary, but avoid drastic changes based on short-term events. Step 10. Continue learning and evolving. The financial landscape is always changing, and the more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to grow and protect your wealth. Stay educated on personal finance, investing, and wealth-building strategies to adapt to new opportunities. Action items. Read books and listen to podcasts. Financial education is ongoing. Books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki and podcasts like The Dave Ramsey Show provide great insights. Join financial communities. Online communities and forums like Reddit's Personal Finance, Boggleheads, or local investment clubs can provide support and advice. In conclusion, building wealth takes time and discipline. Building wealth is a long-term journey, but with a solid plan and disciplined execution, you can achieve financial freedom. Focus on building good financial habits, starting small, and increasing your wealth through consistent saving, smart investing, and growing your income. The key is to start today, and gradually, you will see the fruits of your efforts. Remember, wealth building is not about how much you make, but how much you keep, grow, and invest. Stay patient, stay consistent, and stay educated. Financial success will follow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more finance tips. And if you have any questions about the step-by-step guide on how to start building wealth, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.